watching Nella Ray, say hey, hey, what's up, what's popping, all that. So basically, this is about to be real simple. If you like the video, like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. But basically, I'm about to be doing my own box braids. And we're about to see how this go. I'm using leftover hair. So, honey, it's all kinds of colors in here. And we're just going to see how it turned out. I already started parting in the back. I don't know if it's straight because I don't have a mirror. I was using my phone, but it's going to do what it do. I got, of course, the rat tail comb, detangling brush, the little shining gem. So basically, these little sections I got braided up. I'm just gonna keep right along moving. Okay, so I got these 3 braids done. One of them is off and it's fine. I'm not doing it again. It'll be covered up. It's in the back. No, baby, all of them is off. All of them. You need to start over. All of them. But it's these 3 braided, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part and do this section. So let me just tell y'all, it's a whole nother day, and I'm almost done with my hair. And I thought that I had been recording, but guess what? I wasn't. But with all the colors that I had left so far, this is what it's looking like. And honestly, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. So I'm gonna try to record me doing the rest of this because that's all I got. That's all I got in me.
So I always do a signature braid that's I call it checkerboard. And I do one braid mixed with the two craziest colors in the top of my head. Y'all, these parts are so bad. But mind you, I didn't have a mirror. The only thing I was using was my phone. So it is what it is. And that's what it's going to be. I didn't know what it looked like until this very moment. And it's so at this point, I'm about to use way too much a lot of body, but that's my favorite thing after I finish some of my braids. And I just rub it in. I rub it all the way down the braid. And then afterwards, you'll see me using got to be glue spray. I also use that on top of the lot of body just because it helps the braid stay in place a lot longer.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you comment, subscribe, all of that, all of that, all of that, all of that, boom, 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 all of that, all of that, all of that, okay. But if y'all like stuff like this, let me know. Next time I'm trying to do a fashion over try on haul, so we'll see how that goes. If you're watching that, let me say hey, peace out.